this episode, we're gonna talk about red flags in relationships.
Green flags din.
And green flags.
Green
Okay.
flag, syempre, not just the red ones. We always have to look out for the green ones then. We start with the green or the red. Even are the red flags in men. Men lang naman. Like, ano bang mga red flags? Top of my head right now, you know those guys who are really rude pagdating sa, like, service workers? You know, those crew members, like, waiters? I don't know if it's the bare minimum to even, like, alam mo yun, just be decent. Like, just be kind. Parang napaka-red flag dun for me. If you're rude to, alam mo yun, service crew, for what?
Hindi naman nila kasalanan kung matagal yung order mo or kung ano mang ginagawa nila.
Oo, like, coming from a service, like, industry,
Oh.
ikaw, what's yours?
Siguro, isa sa pinaka-red flag ko is yung based from experience,
Ayan na nga po. Based on experience na nga po.
Based from experience, yung pinagbabawalan ka makipag-friend sa guy.
Oh my...
Hoy, wag ka parang, parang, friend mo na sila before, yung mga guy friends mo. Hindi naman sa ililimit, parang onting usap nyo lang, may comments agad. Like,
Girl, oh my gosh, bitch, I'm controlling. I just wanna add din,
yeah,
hindi lang sa
very
friends.
controlled.
Oo. Feeling ko like not just sa friends, may ibang guys na ganun. Alam mo yung they're so insecure in losing you na they're projecting their insecurities to other guys or other people. Isa pa
Yeah.
ayoko, like pinagbabawalan ka magsuot ng, I don't know, because like clothing is for everyone, no matter how slutty
I
I dress or decent I dress, I don't give a shit. Pero like for them, parang kapag ayoko na lang magsabi.
Maglabas ka lang ng katawan or eto lang,
Oo.
sabi nila malandi or pokpok ka na.
Oo. So parang, based on experience na naman ba to? Based on experience po to, yes. Tama po.
Siguro.
Alam niya yan. She knows this, bitch. Now, when you go to bars, you know how I am, how I dress when it comes to bars. I'm not saying I'm a party girl, but like, anong gusto mong suotin ko? Magpajama ako sa bar? I don't know. What else? Ang dami. It's actually a red flag. Pero sa akin, kapag hindi siya like family-oriented. For me. I don't know. Kasi hindi ako close sa family ko. Ikaw yung red flag, be. Kaya ganon. I mean, gusto ko kapag like close-knit sila sa family nila. Like sa mom and dad nila. Gusto ko yung mga, I don't know, ganon. Pero
Ako din,
di ba?
actually gusto ko ganun. Isa sa red flag for me, I feel like yung mother niya hindi boto sa'yo, pero wala siyang ginagawa.
gosh. Okay,
Ganon.
mama's boy? Mama's boy?
Hindi siya
Ate.
mama's boy. You cannot call it mama's boy, actually.
No, I feel like it stems from that. Kasi if yung mother hindi approve sa'yo, adi parang for her, okay, there's no one na pwedeng pumantay sa perfect little boy ko. Feeling ko ganun siya. Isa pa, guys, ito na po. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Marami na to. Walang emotional intelligence. I don't know.
I
Like,
agree.
super intellectual, but like when it comes to emotions, they suck. Parang, ewan ko. Marami na tayong guys na gano'n. But like, I don't like guys with no emotional intelligence at all. Talaga.
Siyempre, alam na rin naman nila yan. Emotional intelligence talaga.
Yes, there is, you know.
Problem.
Yes, exactly.
Diba?
One ba sa green flags naman? Or let's stick with the red
No,
flags?
let's talk more about red flags.
Okay, give more. Like,
Okay. Sige, magbigay ka lang.
busy siya mag-lipstick, leche ka. I think seloso. Like, may healthy jealousy kasi, bitch. You know that, right?
Yung jealousy na talagang wala ka ng freedom. More like controlling na din kasi siya eh.
Mm-hmm. Or controlling na rin yon, right? I think it's under controlling na din.
Feeling ko it's under controlling na. Kasi kung sasabihin mong nagsiselos ako, tapos ikaw control ka niya, parang gano'n.
Yeah, I don't like it when it's like that. Ano ba kapag nag-yosi? I don't think.
Ayoko nang nagyoyosi kasi asabo na may asthma and asabo na ayoko ng amoy ng yosi.
Ayoko talaga.
Yes, ayoko talaga.
Pero parang ayoko din siya red flag for me ngayon.
For me, it's a red flag kasi you should know how to take care of yourself.
And then, tsaka, Other
We
people.
all know na ang pag-yoyosi is very super ano.
Dangerous.
Ha?
Oo. It's dangerous. Lalo na
Yeah.
sa lungs mo. And like sa other people who's with
Kahit
you.
mag-try ka lang ng isa niyan, sobrang
Diba?
laking effect sa katawan mo.
Let's move on, Adiris. Sa green flags naman tayo. We're not
Kasi
gonna be very mean today.
first off,
Hirap na
green
hirap
flag.
pa. Hirap na hirap
Oh!
mag-isip. Green flags, I think, since what I've said kanina,
Okay.
siguro pag close sa family. Yon, napaka number one nun sa akin. Having a hard time thinking kasi, okay. Pero like yon, totoo naman. Sabihin mong di ka agree.
Agree naman, kasi
Diba?
maganda talaga yung close siya sa family niya. Kasi di ba,
Yeah.
makikita mo kung paano rin siya mag-act sa'yo. Or especially
Oo.
kapag kayo in the future, ganun din siya mag-act.
So, isa pa sa akin, kapag alam mo yung simple acts of kindness with strangers, hindi ako ganun. I don't know, like kapag may compassionate siya. Simple acts of kindness. Alam mo yon, like when they ask for directions or kunwari may nahulog na mga like things from the grocery. Alam mo,
Actually, ako myself, ganun ako.
hindi ako ganun. Charot!
If may someone na nahulog yung money, which is yung, let's say,
Oo.
1,000 pesos, pupulutin mo siya or pupulutin mo itatago or ibabalik mo.
Ibabalik ko naman. Masalbayo kong tao, pero ibabalik ko.
Yun, si Ivana Alawi, if you know si Ivana.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Nakita ko yun.
Meron siyang
Social experiment, diba?
Oh yeah, social experiment.
Experiment.
So, ang dami sa kanila actually na pinulot na lang, tinago, ganun.
Ate, hindi ako ganun. Kahit na gusto ko. Pero
Hindi
like,
rin ako
karma's
ganun.
gonna bite me in the ass. Ayoko.
Feeling ko baka makarma ako kapag ginawa ko yun.
Diba? Ano pang green flag? Like, level-headed. Like, no matter what the situation is, whether
Very
nag-aaway kayo. Oo, like, whether
I want
nag-aaway
that.
kayo.
True.
Kasi, diba? Like, I don't know how to explain it eh. Pero like, alam mo yung kalmado and very gentle magsalita.
Like, kahit galit na galit ka na, tapos siya, wala, kalmado lang siya.
Alam mong galit siya. Diba?
Yeah.
Pero like, he never raises his voice. Ate, subukan lang niya, charot. Kalmado pa din. And, ganun.
Another green flag pala. Green flag is yung, hindi naman sa sinasabi kong pa-effort, pero gusto ko yung di kusa.
Oh,
Gets mo
okay.
ako? Right? Ganun.
Yeah, we love a guy.
Hindi mo na
who's like
kailangan
initiative.
i-ask.
Yes!
Right. O, di ba? So,
Tama,
ayun, isa
tama.
yung sa green flag ko. Kasi gusto ko, I love surprises. I love,
And effort. Like,
yeah,
girl.
effort talaga na hindi ko
Effort.
alam.
Yeah, effort ba naman eh.
Ganun.
So that's it for today's episode, guys. I hope you actually enjoyed rating our red flag or green flag na love edition or dating edition. It's a wrap.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll catch you in the next one.
Bye!